When you talk about being realistic, you must have been shocked then, because you said you're a realist. You must have been shocked by Real Madrid that those players that, I'll be honest, some of them, some would say the Galacticos, Mbappe, Vinny, Jude, they're non-existent today.
I think they was kind of on cruise control for a lot of the game, and they try to flip that switch. And you know, in sports, you can't do that.
Can't do that.
You got to lock in from the jump, especially against a team like us, who we press, we play with pace, we play aggressive. So don't bring that soft nonsense over here. You know.